ngọn trong lên đứt vô này thì nhiều là lên. Tập trung lên ngọn trong lên đứt vô này thì nhiều là lên.
To do the fine one. To do the 1K race with my family. To hang out with my friends.
To get my 5K blazer pin.
I'm going to the 5K because getting daily exercise is very important.
I can't wait to walk the 5K with my husband and my very cute dog, Luna.
I'm trying to get on the podium to win an awesome cash prize.
Make sure you join us for our next annual 5K. We can't wait to see everyone there. And don't forget, it's open to the public, so bring your friends.
The 5K race is a fun community event, so invite all your friends and family. Also, don't forget about our class challenge. Every grade that raises $500 will earn a pizza and ice cream lunch.